It's an affordable, effective, and easily stored stump grinder. Maybe before we start, we need to go over kind of some basic specs. The machine weighs 470 pounds, has a 24-inch by 3/4 grinding wheel. It has 34 carbide teeth that are replaceable. It has its own self-storage stands that easily come up and down for easy storage. With galvanized feet, so you don't have to worry about any kind of rust or anything on them. It has its own chainsaw holder. It does have a storage pin that goes in there so you can take it on and off. This does need to be removed before you actually grind a stump. So we've removed that. We've raised our legs. Just trying to think if there was anything else. Oh, weighs 470 pounds. I think that's important. So with that said, I'm going to let my cinematographer go around and just kind of show you everything, including the slip clutch. And I'll get on the machine and we'll take the stump out. Oh, one thing I did want to mention, and we always go from left to right, the opposite of how you read, because we want to cut in this lower quadrant. And all this is in the owner's manual when you get it, but thought it was important to mention that. This is a fairly good sized stump. I'm not going to take huge bites. I just kind of want you to see how it works.